Very good morning, everyone. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. Yeah. My
My
dear students, okay. I hope everybody is ready with their literature textbook. Yes. Please be on page number 11. Page number 11. We are going to start revising lesson number 3. It is a beautiful poem and the title of the same is The Happy Child. Keep your devices muted and repeat after me. The Happy Child. The Happy Child. The title of lesson number 3 is The Happy Child.
The
Happy Child. Okay, very good. Now, I request Dev Haran to unmute his device and start reading. Dev Haran.
My house
Hmm.
is red a color.
My house is red.
My house is red, a little red house.
Okay.
And a happy child.
It's not
Am
a happy child.
A happy child.
Hmm.
Am I?
Hmm.
I have.
No. You missed out 2 lines. Yeah. I Laugh. Laugh.
I laugh
Huh?
and play
Yes.
the
Whole day.
whole day
Hmm. Long.
long. I have
No. If you're not able to read any particular word, read its spelling. Hard. Hard. Ly. Hardly. Hardly. Continue.
I hardly cry.
What is the word? Next word.
I hardly
Ever.
when
No. Ever.
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 cry.
Okay. Very good,
I
Devaran.
never cry.
I hardly ever cry. Yes. Okay. Good effort, Devaran. Thank you. So, the first stanza of the poem tells us that this beautiful poem is about the happy child. What kind of a child? The happy child. And she is telling us that her house is red. What color is the happy child's house?
Red.
The house is red in color. Very good. And is it a big house or a little one?
Big house.
A big house.
Little.
A little red house. Yes, very good. A little red house. A little red house. And once again, what kind of a child is this? Happy child. A happy child am I. This child is a very happy child. Okay. And what does she do the whole day? The whole day from morning till evening? Yes. Child laughs and plays the whole day long. The child will laugh and play the whole day long. And I hardly ever cry. Yeah, please mute your devices. Mute your devices, all of you. You can keep your devices muted and read. No problem. I hardly ever cry. Who remembers the meaning of hardly ever? Abhimanyu. What is the meaning of hardly ever?
Never. Almost never.
Almost never. Yes, very good. Hardly ever means almost never. Almost never. You can also say not at all. The child is such a happy child that she hardly ever cries or almost never cries. Okay, now I have a question for you. What is the meaning of never? Almost never. Never. What does never means? Mean never. You can tell me, try. Never. Never. Yes, never means not at all. Not at all. You don't need to learn that. We are just discussing this, okay? Almost never means not at all. Does the child cry? No, the child does not cry. Okay, very good. Akshat, continue reading.
I have a
Hmm.
green.
I have a, you missed out this word.
I
Hmm.
have a
Hmm.
tree.
I have a tree.
A green.
Hmm.
A green
A green
tree.
a green tree. Okay. Continue.
Shade.
To shade.
Shade.
To shade. M-E.
From
Hmm.
the sun.
From the sun.
From the sun.
Okay. Hmm.
Under.
And not under. Under.
Under.
Under.
Under.
Under.
It
Hmm.
often.
I often. Hmm.
Sit.
And under it, I often sit.
When all
Hmm.
my play is done.
When all my play is
Done.
done. Okay, very good. When all my play is done. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Next, the child tells us that she has a tree near her home. And what kind of a tree is it? Netik, what kind of a tree is it? Tell me something about the tree.
Green color tree.
Very good. The tree is green in color. So Netik, tell me, is the whole tree green or only the leaves are green?
Leaf.
Only the leaves are green. Very good. The child has a tree, a green tree. And how does it help the child? Dean Farron. Dean, unmute your device and tell me, how does the tree help the child? Netik, switch on the camera. Yeah.
Shade.
To shade.
To shade.
To shade whom?
To shade.
The child.
The child.
From what? From what? From what does the tree shade the child?
Sun.
From the sun. Yes, very good. Why did you have to think so much to give that answer, my dear? The tree shades the child from the sun. See, the sun is, we can see the sun behind the tree, right? and the shade of the tree is falling on the ground. So when the child comes and sits under the tree shades the child from the sun. Understood?
Yes.
Are you able to remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So how does the tree help the child?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I drink water.
Okay, yes, please.
To shade.
How does the tree help the child?
To shade. To shade
Uh, from the sun. To shade the child,
To shade.
the child from the sun.
Ma'am,
Yes.
water?
Yes, please. Okay, very good. To shade the child from the sun. Okay, Devna, where does the child go and sit?
Under the tree.
Sorry?
Under
Okay.
the tree.
How many times?
For play is done.
No. How many times I ask? See, there is one word which tells us here how many times the child goes and sits. See, there is one word here which tells us how many times.
Of onset.
Often, yes. Can you tell me the meaning of often?
A lot of time.
Yes, very good. The word meaning of the word often is a lot of times or many times. So when all does the child come and sit under the tree? Often or a lot of times. The child comes and sits under the tree a lot of times. So which word here tells us that the child comes and sits a lot of times? Which is that word? A lot of often. Yes, very good. O-F-T-E-N. Often. Often. Okay, very good. Thank you. When all my play is done. Ellen, unmute your device and tell me, when does the child come and sit under the tree? When? Sorry? Ellen Keane. When does the child come and sit under the tree? When? Tell me the answer. When does she sit? When she starts playing, when she is continuously playing, or when she has completed her play? I'm giving you options. Tell me the answer. Ellen, can you hear me? Done. Yes. What is the meaning of done? What is the meaning of done? Done means what?
Finish.
Yeah, completed or finished. Yes, you're right. Okay, thank you, Ellen. Good. Yes. Done means completed or finished. Oh, wait. Don't scream, everybody. Yes, I will ask you. Everybody, I will ask questions. Okay, don't worry. So, my dear students, are you able to recollect what all we have learned in lesson number 3? Yes. Okay. Madhav, unmute your device and read the meaning of laugh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, laugh. What is the meaning?
Love
Hmm?
means
Hmm?
smile and
M-A-K-E. Make
a
a sound, not a. A sound.
sound.
A sound. W-H-E-N. When?
H-E-N. When.
Hmm?
H-A-P-P-Y. Happy.
When happy. Read it one more time. Uh,
Laugh means smile and make a
sound.
sound.
Sound when happy.
When
Happy. Okay, very good. Thank you. Emmanuel, read the second word and its meaning.
when
No, the second word. Hardly.
I hardly
Hardly ever. I is not there. Hardly ever. What is the meaning?
ever cry.
Okay. What is the meaning of hardly ever?
Hardly means
Hardly ever means
Hardly ever means almost never.
always never.
ALMOST. Almost. NEVER. Never. Almost never. Emmanuel? Yeah. What is the meaning of hardly ever?
Almost never.
Very good. Very good, my dear. Vaishnavi, read the third word and its meaning. Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read.
Often.
A lot of
Times.
a lot of times.
Lot of time.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
ma'am.
Yeah. Rishikesh, read the first question and tell me its answer. Rishikesh, make it fast.
What kind of house
House
does the little girl have?
have.
Red and big. Allah. No.
Okay. You tell me only the correct answer.
Little. Red and little. And big.
Okay. So which is the right one?
Red and little.
Very good. The child has a red and little house. Okay. Very good. Sarah, read the second question.
What does the child do all day?
Day. Okay. What does the child do all day? Tell me only the correct answer.
Laugh and play.
Yes, very good. The child would laugh and play the whole day long. Thank you, Sarang. Very good. Brian Sandeep, try the third one.
The girl. How?
Louder, louder,
Louder.
louder. Yeah. How does the tree help the
Girl.
girl? Okay. Answer.
It shades
Very good.
from the sun.
Very good. The tree shades the child from the sun. Very good, Ryan. Thank you. Netik, try the next one. Number 4.
When the three little girls sit the
Tree.
tree.
When does the little girl sit under the tree?
When he
Finishes. When she finishes playing. Okay, very good, my dear. Thank you. You're welcome. Joseph, read the value-based question. Joseph Johannes. Should. Always.
kind,
Hmm.
and
Try to be.
Try to be.
try to be
Hmm.
One second.
Happy or sad?
happy.
Happy. Yes, very good. We should always smile and try to be happy. Happy. Okay, very good, my dear. Thank you. Yeah. My dear students, now I request to move to the next page. That is page number 20. Lesson number 4, Jolly's Shrinking Clothes. Jolly's Shrinking Clothes. Juvania, unmute your device and start reading.
Polly
Hmm.
loves
Hmm.
cheese.
Okay.
He
Eats.
eats cheese for
Huh?
breakfast.
Breakfast.
Breakfast
Huh?
and
You missed out one word there. After breakfast comes
lunch
lunch.
and dinner. Jolly
Breakfast, lunch,
breakfast
A-N-D,
and
and
dinner.
dinner. Very good.
Jolly's
Hmm.
mother
Hmm.
tells
Tells.
him to eat healthy food
Hmm.
that Jolly does not listen.
Okay.
One day
Hmm.
of the
Buttons
buttons
on
on Jolly's
shirt
shirt
burst.
was
Burst.
open.
Open.
Jolly ran
Home
and
and
eyes
tries on
all his clothes.
all his clothes. Okay. Very good, Juvania. You're trying to read it very well, my dear.
Thank
But
you, ma'am.
please try to avoid dragging the words. Don't drag the words, okay? Read them smartly.
On Jolly's shirt.
Okay. Now I request everybody to keep their devices muted once again. Please do it. Okay. The next lesson, that is lesson number 4, is all about a boy whose name is Jolly. And the title of the lesson is Jolly's Shrinking Clothes. Jolly's Shrinking Clothes. Okay. Now, this boy, Jolly, is a little boy who loves to eat only what? Only cheese. Yes, Jolly loves to eat only cheese. And he eats cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He eats cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But Jolly's mother tells him to eat what? Healthy food. Very good. Jolly's mother tells him to eat healthy food. What is healthy food? Food that contains vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses, everything in equal quantities, right? Will be called healthy food. Okay. But what does Jolly do? Does he listen to his mother?
Not
No. Jolly does not listen to his
listening.
mother. Does not listen. So what happens one day? All the buttons on Jolly's shirt, what happens to them?
Open.
Burst open. Very good. Did you notice the button flying off? Did you notice? Yeah, the same thing happens with Jolly also. All the buttons on his shirt burst open one day. Then what does he do? He becomes very sad. He runs home. He runs home. After reaching home, what does he do? He tries on all
try
his
on
clothes.
clothes.
Yes, very good. He tries on all his clothes. Okay. Then, what does he notice? Chelsea, continue reading.
He finds that his clothes
Have?
have shrunk.
Yes, very good. Notice this white t-shirt and this white t-shirt. Is this big or is this big? Which one is big? This one?
Right is big.
Yes, this is the big one and this is the smaller one.
Small one.
Okay, very good. So what is the meaning of shrunk?
Small. And smaller.
Became smaller. Yes, very good.
Became
Okay, Chelsea,
smaller.
continue. They do not
They do not fit.
fit him. Then what does he do?
Jolie starts crying.
Crying. Jolly starts crying. Okay, then
Then that night,
no, Jolly's mother.
Jolie's
When
mother
Jolly starts crying, what does his mother tell him?
tell him
That he must.
that
Read from here. He must.
he must stop eating only cheese.
Okay, very good. And then she also says that if he
If he eats healthy food,
his clothes will
fit
fit him.
him again.
Yes, if he starts eating healthy food, his clothes will fit him again. So what does Jolly eat that night? That night. It is very important. That night.
That night, Jolie eats roti,
Rotis.
carrot, peas,
And
carrot. And a banana
for
dinner.
dinner. Very good. That night, Jolly eats rotis, carrots, peas, and a banana. A banana means how many?
One
Only one. A banana means only one. And he promises to eat healthy from that day. What does he promise? He promises to eat healthy from that day.
From that day.
Okay, very soon. Once he
Very
starts
soon,
eating healthy food, what happens? Very soon, that is
Clothes.
after some days.
fit
What
him
happens?
again.
Jolly's
Fit
clothes
him
fit him again. Yes, very good. My dear students, are you able to recollect? Remember what we have learned? Yes. Okay, Abhimanyu, tell me the meaning of burst. Thank you, Chelsea. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Abhimanyu, burst.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of burst?
B-U-R-S-T.
Okay. Burst.
B-R-O-K-E. Broke.
Broke. Very good.
O-
O-P-E-N.
Open.
Open. Burst means broke open. Burst means broke open. Very good, Abhimanyu.
Thank
Akshat.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, Akshat. Second word and its meaning. Tries on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tries on.
Tries on. Wears.
Wears and. Wears and.
Wear and check.
Checks. Yes. Wears and checks. Tries on means wears and checks. Okay, very good. Kevin. Shrunk. Shrunk.
Became smaller.
Became smaller. Very good. The meaning of shrunk is became smaller. Okay. Deva Vinod Kumar. Deva, read the first question and tell me the answer. Deva, make it fast. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read. What does
What does
Hmm.
Jollies eat?
Jollies is not there, only jolly. Jolly,
Jolly
eat.
eat what?
What does Jolly eat every day? Every day. Tell me the answer. What does Jolly eat every day?
Cheese.
Very good. Jolly eats only cheese every day. Okay, Deva, thank you. Okay, Reza, read. The second one. Yes, please go and come. Reza, read. What does? What happened? She cannot hear, I think. Okay, Bhanu Lakshana, read. What does?
What does Jolly's mother?
No, Jolly do. The second one. What does Jolly do?
Jolly do?
Hmm.
What the,
When he finds
that is
clothes. Clothes have shrunk. Okay, what does Jolly do when he finds that his clothes have shrunk? Tell me the correct answer.
He starts
Crying. Very good. What does Jolly do when he finds that his clothes have shrunk? He starts crying. Okay, very good. Thank you. Diya, Deepak, read the third.
What
Does
that Jolly Mother
mother,
Mother
mother, Tell,
Tail
tell,
him to do
What does Jolly's mother tell him to do?
to eat healthy food.
Very good. Jolly's mother tells him to eat healthy food. Okay, very good. Chris,
Can you remember?
yeah, okay. Chrysanto, read the next question.
To eat two. Okay, ma'am.
What does?
What an elephant.
Hmm?
What
Jolly eat?
that എന്താ ജോലി കഴിച്ചേ ചീസ് ആണോ ബട്ടർ ആണോ ബിസ്ക്കറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് കേക്ക് ആണോ
Who's reading? Keep your devices muted. Chrysanto, read.
ONLY only cheese.
No, that night. I told you when we were revising, that night. So you have to remember that. What does Jolly eat for dinner that night?
Roti, carrot, peas and banana.
Very good. Roti, carrots, peas, and a banana. Okay, very good. Karthik, can you hear me? Read the value-based question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read. Value-based question. When we eat,
When we eat
dash food,
dash food,
we stay,
we stay
F-I-T, fit, and what is this word? Strong.
strong.
Tell me the answer. When we eat dash food, we stay fit and strong. Healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Very good. When we eat healthy food, we stay fit and strong. Okay, very good. My dear students, are you able to remember what all we have learned in both these lessons?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. I want you to write and learn something. So I will be sending the message in the group. Please do it accordingly. Okay. And then evening, I will send a short revision test link. Please do it. Okay. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.